Hey there, it's your AI-generated friend Rachel, and I'm excited to introduce you to the amazing new app called BrainBox. Actually, it helped create me. In this video, I'll be giving you a full BrainBox review and demo so you can see exactly how this app works and how it can benefit you. BrainBox is a really cool app that allows you to launch your very own chatbot powered by GPT technology. With BrainBox, you can either use the chatbot for yourself or offer it as a service to others and charge them for using it. That's the key thing I'll be talking to you about in just a moment. If you want to check out BrainBox for yourself, there's a link down below in the description box that you can click to purchase it at a 90% discount. By purchasing through my link, you'll get BrainBox for the cheapest possible price, which is awesome because you'll be saving money before you even start making money. Plus, I have a special bonus for you if you decide to get BrainBox through my link, which I'll tell you more about later. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about BrainBox. What's really cool about this app is that it allows you to build your own chatbot powered by GPT technology. You don't need any coding skills to use BrainBox. It provides you with all the code you need to deploy the chatbot on your own website or your client's websites. You can use BrainBox to create a chatbot for your own business, or you can offer it as a service to others and get paid to build chatbots for them. If you have friends who have websites, you can offer to build them a chatbot powered by GPT technology and charge them anywhere from $500 to $5,000 or more, depending on how good you are at selling your services. When you click the link down below, you'll be able to see examples and use cases of how people are using BrainBox to make money. You'll also get to see a full demo of BrainBox so you can see exactly how it works and how easy it is to deploy. Check out the video for BrainBox and I will be back with you shortly. So if you are still with us, you must see the advantages of this incredible system. The time to benefit from the AI craze is now, so click the link below and start your journey.